Hi, I'm Scott Himes. We are here in Jabez Run in Millersville, Maryland, the headwaters of the Severn River off of the Chesapeake Bay, the world's largest estuary. Once known as the protein factory for the USA, home of the only stream where brook trout reproduce from here to Florida in the coastal plain. We're standing where life begins for many of the creatures that live in the Chesapeake Bay and its tributaries. It's when streams like this degrade is when the entire water system and all its inhabitants suffer. This degradation happened when they built a highway right next to where this stream began. The highway had stormwater controls, but not sufficient ones. And when the big storms came, this degradation happened. All this soil that you see washes all the way down into the Severn River when those big heavy rainstorms go, sending a huge plume of mud into the river. Soon this stream will be restored with state and county help.
Underwood & Associates has designed and will construct a large stream restoration using regenerative design. This technique will fill in the degraded stream, spread out the water into many pools in the valley, let it soak in, and will clean and cool the water as it goes down towards the Severn River.
Stay tuned for updates as this project gets built. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box. And please don't forget to hit like. See you next time.